Hello children, welcome to our class 6th Science Chapter 8 Fiber to Fabric. Today we are going to learn the topic is natural fibers. Cotton, wool, silk and jute are some common examples of natural fibers. In this section we will discuss cotton and jute in detail. Cotton is obtained from cotton balls or cotton fruits. Usually, cotton plants are cultivated in black soil. In our state, cotton crop is widely grown in districts like Warangal, Adilabad and Nalgonda and most of the district of Telangana region. Cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber that grows in a ball or protective capsule around the seeds of cotton plants of the genus Gaspeum. The fiber is almost pure cellulose. Under natural conditions, the cotton balls will tend to increase the dispersion of the seeds. Cotton. The fruit of a cotton plant is a capsule called a ball. The mature seed splits open to reveal the fibers. Once harvested, the fibers are spun into yarn. Cotton is soft, strong and easily washable. Natural plant fibers are example is cotton. What are the properties of cotton? Cotton is strong, absorbent, cool to wear, hard wearing, creases easily, smooth, easy to care for, breathable. What are the uses of cotton? Soft furnishings such as cushions and curtains, clothing such as jeans and t-shirts. Advantages of cotton: strong when wet, durable and long lasting, not expensive, environmentally sustainable, comfortable to wear. What are the disadvantages of cotton? Creases easily, burns easily, shrinks when washed. Cotton plant. Cotton seeds produce a mass of hairy fibers. A group of seeds with their fibers entangled is called a cotton ball. The seeds are separated from their fibers. Fibers are spun into a yarn to strengthen. The yarn is the woven into cloth cotton. Can be mixed with synthetic fibers to produce a variety of useful fabrics. What are the uses of cotton? It is the most important textile fiber. Pure cotton cloths are used all over the world. Cotton fiber is the basic raw material for a number of cellulose industries. The hulls are used as fertilizers. Cotton seed oil is a semi-drying oil and is used for cooking and soap making. The linters, fuzz, are used in manufacture of ropes, carpets, absorbent cotton, etc. The stalks of the cotton plant can be used as a fuel. It yields a fiber which can be used in paper making. Uses of cotton residue. Cotton seeds are rich in protein and vitamins of the B complex and are used as cattle feed. The decoction of seeds is used in the treatment of dysentery and fevers. Cotton seeds oil is an edible vegetable oil and also useful for the manufacture of soap, lubricants and protective coatings. Cotton seeds oil is also a substitute for olive oil in pharmaceutical industry. Root bark used as an ergot-like drug. Stem used for fuel and paper pulp. Thank you, my dear children.